Hello everyone. Welcome to Kulturschöpfer YouTube channel and welcome back to Creative Sessions for Kids and Adults. In today's session, we are going to do a bookmark inspired in one art piece of Piet Mondrian. In the piece that is called Composition 2 in red, blue and yellow. So what do we need for this creative session? We will need a piece of paper, a ruler, some Sharpies or just markers. It doesn't matter the color, but it would be lovely if you had a black, yellow, red and blue. And then we will need, of course, some scissors and just in case that you need, some tape. So as you know, always first step, put your favorite music or your favorite playlist and just enjoy the process. Second step, what we need to do, we will need just to grab our ruler, get a pen or a pencil and just mark how big do we want our bookmark and what shape do you want to give it to it. So it's much better just to do a normal rectangle and just mark it. Once you have the shape that you want, you just need to cut it with the help of your scissors. Don't you worry if it's not a straight line, it will be fine. Just do the best as you can. Okay. As a second step, just grab your black marker. As you see, this is just the regular one, and start doing your lines in the piece of paper that you already cut with the help of a ruler, so you will have straight lines. It is an easy process, so don't you worry, just relax and do the lines and the shapes that you want. They don't need to be equal, just like a little bit more thinner, a little bit more bigger. One of them we can just try to do anything that you feel that you want to do it. The squares, they don't need to be equal. They just need to be like, I don't know, do it in the way that you feel that it's nice. And then think about what color patterns that you want to use. So yeah, it's just a process of enjoying. The process of the lining is done, as you can see, but I have just one recommendation for you guys. Just in case while you are doing the lines with the help of the ruler and the black marker, try to have something underneath the paper because you can just stain your table or the place where you are doing the session. So it is better just always to protect it. So okay, let's go for the next step. Third step, it's time to fill the white gaps with the three primary colors. We have blue, red, and yellow. But as I said before, you can just use the colors that you most like. In my case, I really want to do the same that Mondrian did. Well, at least to try to. So I would just use these three colors, and of course, the already black lines that I have. And I would just try to do my best filling the gaps. So congratulations, you have finished one more creative sessions for kids and adults. And this time, thanks to Piet Mondrian, we did these beautiful bookmarks. As you can see, I did more than one because I really wanted to be creative and get inspired with different shapes and colors. So now it's your turn. I hope that you really enjoy it. Give it a like, please, and subscribe to our channel so you can see the next creative sessions. So see you soon!